Perkins, part of our mythical selection, TJ. Teng picks it up. Revilla sa sulok.
Teng.
First 2 points. Make that first 3 points. Teng launches a 3. No. And Revilla with a rebound. Siningit yung bola.
Risky pass there.
Teng off the glass. He likes that shot.
Money shot para kay Jeric Teng. Pabanda. Lucas ng Lasal. Offensive rebound and second chance point para sa Archers. Papantayin pa rin natin yung stat na yun.
Teng. 3 on the way. Gets it to go.
You know, this year, as long as they're good shots, you're open in the rhythm of the offense and you'll finally get them to fall.
At talaga namang may lisensya siya. Kitang-kita naman.
Oo naman.
Mula kay Coach Juno Soler. Atake.
It is.
Ni Sheriff. Abante na naman ang UST 7-6.
And then yung mga moments na natutuwa si Coach Bido kapag hinahayaan.
Of getting the best out of each and every single player that he has.
Super.
Vosotros. Another offensive rebound. Teng. Oh, that's a foul by Abdul. And that's his second
Pangalawa
personal.
na yan. And that's the problem sometimes with Abdul. Nanggigigil yan pag may opportunity siyang sumupalpal. As compared to only 1 offensive rebound for UST. In fact, UST as a team has 6 rebounds in total.
All in all.
All in all.
Teng, titira na naman ang 3. Siya na naman.
Nahilo ng konti. Tumingin more.
Number 1.
In 29 minutes. But dig this. He had 8 rebounds.
Yes.
8 rebounds. Salit lang yan, ha?
He's always been one of the better rebounding guards siya ni
Ano naman?
Vosotros.
Offensive rebound na naman para sa Lasal. And another second chance point. And so far, boom, Lasal just looks hungry right now.
They look sharp.
Yup, they look sharp and hungry. Oh, what a spin!
Inikot.
What a spin! And he knew he could do that because there were no bigs inside. He knows Paulo Lopez 2 fouls. Hindi na mag-help defense yan.
And now, Teng.
The last 10 minutes.
Teng asking for the clear out against Kim Lo. Jeron using his footwork puts it up and in. 9 points for Jeron Teng.
At alam nila na
The biggest lead.
in the series, I think, for Lasal.
For Lasal, yes.
For Lasal.
Bautista in and out. Abdul, a rare offensive rebound for UST. Mariano again. Finally.
That's his game. That mid-range game.
11-point lead, TJ.
Again, Lasal just going to the strengths, trying to dip it inside. If they double team, they kick it out for the shooters. And that's exactly what Coach Juno Soler said after the first game.
Bautista did not get a clear lane. Now he does. Tries to get it back. Cannot. Nangunguna si Vosotros. Vosotros!
Wow, what a move. And that's just the composure of Tata Bautista. He didn't realize na nauna na si Vosotros with 4 minutes to go in the second quarter. That's huge. In game 1, they had 18 offensive rebounds the whole game.
Teng sidesteps, puts it off the
What a
glass.
move. That's a Teng move right there. Sila magkapatid.
That's it. Adjustment kay AVO, wala. And now UST rebounding better. Mariano.
There we go. That's his game. The open court game. Possessions here.
Be and AVO in a struggle. Jeron Teng underneath the Torres.
Nice
What a
drop
pass.
pass. Gorgeous drop pass. Up, look out. Almost a steal. And that's just a nice move by Jeron Teng, committing the...
In that fourth quarter, which could have given them a different ending. Mariano. Up high.
Ooh, sweet touch off the glass. That's his game. Once a defensive rotation ng Lasal.
7 points. Teng against Ferrer.
Hit for that, and you know that.
Nagbabantayan na yung magkapatid.
Both sides.
Teng for 3.
And talk about a swing, no? He found his brother, made him miss 2 free throws.
Van Opstal on the repost. Revilla from the corner. Cannot get it back. 44-40 is our score. Bautista will try his hand.
Bang!
Ayun na.
Look out. This crowd is going nuts. It's a 1-point game.
And Coach Juno Soler presses the timeout button. in the third. Ang ating scoring so far.
Add that to the 24-5 run.
That's right.
So it's now a 34-8 run.
Nice find by ABO to break the spell. Under 5 to play. Sealed underneath.
And they're going to keep going there, I'm sure, during the timeout.
Improved player of the year. 3 out of 8 from the field for ABO. Deng recovers just in time. Deng from the elbow comes up short. Revilla nagmamadali. Vosotros mula sa sulok. Bang!
LaSalle responding so well off that timeout, of course, Ruben Soler, and all of a sudden, back to a 7-point lead.
During the break movement,
Shot the lights out, 5 out of 8 from 3-point territory in Game 1.
nakatakas ng bahagya.
Nice pass.
Norman Torres iniakyat. So patuloy. 13-2 run. 2 teams in the league in that list of victims. But DLSU is the one ahead. Perkins looking to add.
That's big. What a way to start the fourth quarter. Statement there. His night rotation is 8. It's rare, much more rare than you see 7.
Oh, strong move by ABO. He continues his splendid game with a double-double now.
Well,
And 2 misses by Jeric Deng from the free throw line. Jeron nakalusot.
you cannot gamble to steal from behind if you're going to let a guy through who's one of the best slashers in the league.
Bautista for 3. Gets it to go.
They needed that badly. He was down.
Back to Jeric with 12 to shoot. 5:21 to play. Jeric with a spin.
Oh, what a move.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Sensational move.
Awesome move. But he needs help. He can't do this all on his own.
These offensive rebounds now for LaSalle.
Wow. That is a huge number.
And the second chance points obviously piling up. And USD and DLSU. DLSU trying to hang on here with an 11-point lead. Deng still fighting. How about Jeric Deng? 28 this game. And Perkins misses 2. The final score, the only thing unsettled here as Ferrer jacks up that 3. LaSalle will extend this into sudden death Saturday. LaSalle is looking to duplicate the feat that they did back in 1999 to come back from a 0-1 deficit and win it all. 77-70 is our final score.